Hi, I am Sajal Shrivastava from Narsingpur, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my B.Tech in CSE in Socialization and Data Science from LNCT Group of Colleges, Bhopal in 2020. One of my friends suggested me to come here and join the BTM Pyspiders. So after graduating, I am here and joined the BTM Pyspiders. The comprehensive training, full stack Python, web technologies, and SQL, along with regular mocks.
Very good.
So in Pyspiders, there is mock conducting regularly, like grooming sessions and regular training from trainers, so which helped me a lot to getting placed. I like to thanks all the trainers, like in, first of all Niranjan sir, Rajesh sir, Gaurav sir, and Pujita ma'am, which helped me a lot to getting placed.